Yep, so welcome back to Daniel Family Garden. So what we're doing today is we're going to plant these carrots out here in this raised garden bed. And as you can see, we've already planted some out here. So my husband here is just digging some holes with his fingers, and he's just gonna kind of break these apart and stick these in the ground. And as you can see that root structure. And he's just gonna drop them each in their own space. And we have yellow carrots, red carrots, and purple carrots. But I believe, if I'm not mistaken, all these right here are actually going to be yellow carrots. Oh, no, they're actually red. They're all the red carrots. That's why we keep these tags around. That way we know we have so many things going on, just to make sure we keep it straight. And look at those roots. You can see the root structures on these carrots. So he's carefully breaking these apart without trying to break too much of the root structure, just trying to separate them. That way he can get them laid out into the ground. Because what's going to happen is in a couple weeks, they're going to go from this small size here to that. And all these are carrots. So it looks like all these are red carrots. So we have over here yellow carrots, red carrots, and purple carrots all throughout here.
You want to pull one?
Let's get these in the ground first, and then we can pull one. I'll let you pick one to pull. And we're gonna pull one of these carrots up so y'all can see them. And this whole bed right here is pretty much gonna be all carrots. Maybe some lettuce. I need to replant some to get some more going. Some they're called little tom lettuce, and they're like mini romaine lettuces. They're like little balls. So we're gonna plant some more of those. And I'm probably gonna reuse these black trays here to do it. I say once again, he's just separating those real carefully, not to break that root structure. And this raised garden bed is actually pretty moist because it's been raining on and off all day. So this bed's pretty moist, so we're not going to water this, just due to the fact that we've been having rain off and on all day, and it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. So we're not even going to bother trying to water these things. We're just going to let the good Lord do his work. Look how long that root is, y'all. He's just dropping them right in there and covering them up. And these carrots seem to acclimate pretty fast to being outside in the elements. Even though we start these in the greenhouse, they do really well. These were some of the first plants we started in the greenhouse, were these carrots right here. So, and they've done really good. We started those back in February, and we're just now getting to the end of April, and we're actually gonna pull one of those carrots up so you guys can see it. All right, you ready to pick one?
Yeah, I got this one. Pull this one right here.
Which one you gonna pull?
This one right here. Oh, wasn't quite ready. Got two.
We can probably stick them back in there. Oh, these are the purple ones. Look at that, y'all. Look how dark that is. That's one of the purple carrots. We'll probably be able to put this back in the ground. So not quite ready. They look huge and they look like they're going to be big, but not quite ready. But look at that. Look at that color on them. So we're going to put these back in and see how it goes. But it looks like they need a little more time. And you can kind of see the purple root on that one as well, and see all those roots connected to that one. So we're going to put these back in here. And I guess we'll put them in different spaces since they're making their own carrots. It looked like it was one big carrot, but it was actually 2 different ones together.
We'll see. Might not make it.
We'll see. So we're just gonna put those back in there, and we'll see if they continue to grow or if they die out. But we're not too stressed about it because we have a whole bunch more, and we have all these ones that we just put in the ground. So make sure you guys stay tuned for more, and we'll be here at Daniel Family Garden showing you guys what we're doing, what challenges we're facing, what success we're having, and just trying to keep you guys educated on some of the plants we're doing. If you have any tips and tricks, just let us know. We'll share what we find with you guys as well. And this is also that lettuce that I had cut off, I think it was earlier this week or the end of last week, and it's already starting to grow back. So make sure you guys stay tuned for more.